Hey, I'm Will. I'm going to be walking you through the Clay Attio integration. To start, we need to set up Clay. So the setup should look something like this. We need a webhook to kick things off. We're going to get some sort of enrichment. In this case, it's the last funding amount using the Clay agent. And then we need to send that data back into Attio. So the webhook, what that is a URL that Attio can send to. So this is the URL. We're going to give this to the integration by going into connections, hitting connect, and entering it here. The next step is to have the data that is now going to be in Clay go back to Attio. So what that requires is opening up this HTTP action here and adding in the endpoint for Attio right here. So in order to get that, we're going to go here, Clay, show Attio webhook, and copy this and put that into here. All right. So now that's all set up, we can test out the integration. So if I'm in a company here, I'm in Clay, I can use that enrichment. So I'm going to say enrich with Clay, and the data is sent to Clay. We can see the webhook's been received, and the agent is now running to find the last funding amount. Once it finds it, it's going to send it back into Attio, and we should see it in Attio in just a second. All right, we can see that it's completed. The funding amount was 100 million, and it sent the data back into Attio. And now in our Attio last funding amount attribute, we have this 100 million. I'll show you how you would do this on multiple companies at once. So I can just select all of these, click enrich with Clay, and then the data gets sent over. Similar to before, we see all of these getting queued up. And this time I'm going to wait and just show you about how long it takes. So we got 40 million, 52 million, 275, and we can see those numbers showing up here. So that is the demo. Feel free to ask me any questions. We're going to look to expand this soon to add more functionality. So any comments or questions is greatly appreciated. Thanks.